YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And before we get into this video, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, take the half a second to go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which helps grow the channel in the long run. And then last but not least, make sure you go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, poll stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. Now, let's get into this video, man. So if you have been around the channel the last week-ish, you know what I'm saying, you would have seen me make a couple posts, a couple videos that I posted. One, you would have showed me talk about, and these all have to do with gold standard approved their sneaker cleaning equipment, and you would have seen me obviously just talk about the Volt that they did send me with everything in it. Then I made a video as well most recently about using the sneaker cleaner right here, the gold standard sneaker cleaner. And then you would also, well, right now I should say, you'll see me make my video using their sneaker repellent, their stain repellent. Now, this stuff is made to repel water, keep stains off of your shoes. I find it extremely helpful for things like suede materials. It does say you can use it on suede and everything, or suede, what does it say? So just the materials you can use it on. It says for use on leather, leather, suede, nubuck, canvas, nylon, and more, right? So you could use it on everything. Me personally, I don't use it as much on my leather stuff unless it's like something that has a lot of white in it. And that's not because it like messes up the leather. It doesn't work on the leather. It's just like, it's leather. Leather cleans very easily, you know what I mean? So I don't get too worried about leather. But for this video, man, I figured since most of my shoes that I wear are treated already, I figured I'd go ahead and take out a sneaker that I don't wear for you guys, man. These reverse, I'm not even gonna call it that, the Raging Bull 12s, you know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna give it the name associating it with the OG, but these Raging Bull 12s right here, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use the gold standard sneaker spray, sneaker protector on these. Does have a lot of suede. I figured I'd pick out something that should be absorbent. So we do have the suede upper right here, and we're gonna go ahead, spray these, and then see how well it works. Follow the instructions there. Speaking of the instructions, real quick, let me go ahead and read the instructions to you guys. Where is it? On the bottle. Is that, here we go. Yeah, so first thing you want to do, obviously, make sure that your sneaker is clean. Matter of fact, I'll put the picture of the Volt instructions on here so that way you guys can see it and read along with me. But first thing you want to do is make sure that your sneaker is completely clean and completely dry. Then you want to shake the can really well, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everything is mixed up. Then you want to go ahead and spray one even coat on each shoe, 6 to 8 inches away from the shoe, one even coat. Let it dry for 15 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and repeat, shake the can again, spray another coat 6 to 8 inches away from the shoe. And then it says let dry for 6 hours, about 6 hours overnight for the best results. I'm not good for the video. I'll let it dry a couple hours, but 6 hours, that's a lot of time in my day. But if you do want to do it properly, you do want to let it dry for 6 hours, but we're going to do that. Go ahead, test it, pour water on it, see how well it works, man. But without further ado, man, let's get into showing you guys how this stuff works on these shoes. Okay, YouTube, I'm doing this outside just because the smell of this stuff is really, really harsh. I do not recommend doing this indoors unless you have a place that's well ventilated or like a garage or something, right? Don't do it somewhere you're going to spend a lot of time. So you're going to go ahead, shake this stuff up right here, and then you can see the sneaker. Now, all I'm going to do is just apply about 6 to 8 inches away, one good coat right there. Boom, good. Got a good coat there. Now I need to do the other side. Obviously, make sure the whole shoe is covered. Good. Now we're just gonna give this 15 minutes to dry. We're gonna come out and repeat the process. All right, so it has been 15 minutes. So I'm back out here for the second coat. An exact same thing. You wanna shake up the can, get over here. Make sure you're 6 to 8 inches away. Get a nice even coat all around the shoe. Turn it around to the other side. There we go. Boom. So once again, that's done. Now we're just gonna wait a few hours. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how well it repels water. All right, YouTube, so here it is, man. I bought the shoe back outside. I actually have both of them out here. Just went ahead and tested it already to make sure, but it's only been 3 hours. I know it does say 6 hours on the instructions, but it is supposed to rain later today, and I wanted to do this outside so that I don't want to obviously spill water on my floor in the house, and I didn't want to use the sink. So here we go. Got a bottle of water right here. We have treated this shoe already, as you guys have seen. Let me zoom in right here, and we'll pour some water. And as you guys can see, the water is just bouncing off of the shoe. Like, look, it looks completely dry right now. It feels completely dry when I touch it. It's kind of crazy how that works. It's almost like magic, for lack of a better word. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't want it to drip on the inside of the shoe, so I'll lean it on this one. But let's just look right here, right? Grab some water, pour it on right there. Like, look at this. Look at this. I'm pouring a whole bottle of water on this shoe. And pick it up, you can see the beads of water forming on there. Pick it up, shake it off, and it's good to go, right? I can still sell this sneaker as dead stock. I'm not gonna sell it, but this is still a dead stock sneaker, right? No one would ever know that there was water on it. So that's really, really dope, man. You guys can see that it works. You got to see how to apply it, and now let's get back to finish this video off. All right, YouTube, you guys can see it, man. I just did. Matter of fact, we're not even reviewing the shoe. We're reviewing this premium shoe protector right here. Let me show you the front of the bottle. The premium shoe protector right here by Gold Standard, man. And what it does, once again, stain repellent, all of that. You saw me do it already, man. And you guys can see how well this stuff works, man. This is a sneaker with a lot of suede on it, obviously. A lot of area that gets stains, water stains, all of that stuff, all of that nasty stuff that you don't want to see. But using this right here really helps you mitigate all of that, man. Once again, thank you to the guys over at Gold Standard Approved. Their Instagram is on the screen right now. Make sure that you go give them a follow, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, take the 2 seconds to go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.